Yeah, that I will face the media after my testimony. So I'm willing to take a few questions just to give you an update. Again, andito ako to lend anything that I know that will aid the ICI in their investigation. As I said, wala po akong tinatago, so I am happy to assist them in any way, shape, or form. With regards to how it went, kung ano man ang mga tinanong nila, I have given the ICI full authority if they deem fit to release the video of my testimony. So again, I'm happy for them to do so if they believe that there is no information there that will jeopardize their investigation.
Sir, yung allegations ni dating Congressman Zaldico, natalakay ba siya sa hearing niyo today?
Yes po, tinanong. May
Anong nangyari?
Well, again, I will just repeat my statement that it's pure fabrication and pure lies. It's one that it's a move that reeks of desperation. It's a political ploy, and I've already attributed it to attempts at destabilization of the government.
So is that at all possible? Yung 50 billion, yung scenario na sinasabi ni Kong ko na may 50 billion kang pati kay sa father mo na inutusan niya allegedly sila speaker?
Honestly, to my knowledge, no, it's not possible.
Okay.
Why, sir?
Because first of all, the executive has nothing to do with the legislative. And secondly, the allegations are untrue. I did not do any such a thing. Kung nakikita niyo po yung listahan, may mga project dyan sa Davao City nakalista sa Davao City. Alam naman natin sino nakatira doon, ba't pa ako maglalagay ng projects doon? Sana naman pag-aralan nila ng mabuti. But in any case, it's really not worth it. It's like I said, it's just an attempt.
How should the ICI investigate their father? Kasi may mga statements si Zaldico.
I don't want to speak on behalf of the ICI. You're going to have to ask them.